We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms. Alright, so we have just completed, or Lance is completing. He's doing his side now. He's done my side. Majority. There's still a few cables that have to be plugged in. But he's over here making noises. Yeah. I think we have to close the blinds so we can actually see what's going on. But we rearranged the office for several reasons, but mainly just so it's easier to clean, because with the desks together and the big corner together in the middle of the room, I could never reach back there. Like I could run the feather duster back there, but that's about it. So we're putting it like this, and we're blocking off the corners with our monitors so that, yeah, that's better. So the cats can't really get back there. The problem we were having, this is disgusting, but the problem we were having was they would go over here and lay on the desk in front of the windows, but then somebody would barf on the desk, and then you couldn't reach it. Even Lance couldn't reach it to get it cleaned up really good, so barf. He'd have to come in and hold the monitor up while I reached underneath, and it was just a pain.
We're not talking about the guy from Spaceballs either.
So, it was time for a change. It's been like this for 3 years. We can move stuff around a little bit. Anyway. The one bad thing about it is now I have my door, or my back to the door instead of facing the door. But
that's fine. You've got multiple alarm systems.
I have multiple alarm systems now, yeah. But I do love sitting here in this side because I can look out the window and see the future alpaca and the chicken aviary and watch the cats come and go and that kind of stuff. So we've got Safi down here. Artemis! She's in the library. Because she had a bone. Maybe she still has a bone. Safi finished hers already, so.
Yeah, hi.
Safi's faster.
Hi.
She finishes everything first.
Hi.
Artemis is more dainty.
Aaron keeps running in circles.
If a 50-pound dog could be dainty, it's Artemis. Look at her little tiny feet. Compared to Safi. Safi's got gigantic feet. Anyway, back to the I was gonna say back to the build, but we're not building anything today.
Nope.
Oh, and by the way, it's like 20 something degrees outside right now. Oh, it's actually 30 something degrees.
Oh, it's 39.
Finally.
Wow.
Mine says 37.
Well, you're
But
in
we've
different areas
been,
than I am.
yeah, I'm way over here.
You're down here. I'm up here.
Oh, that's not funny. That's not funny. Anyway, so what we're doing is we're still giving the cats a ledge to sleep on in front of the window, but it'll be on top of the filing cabinets, and then we can reach that. So that's a good thing. There's no Arthur breaks today. It's dog breaks. Dog breaks. Venus is in charge.
Uh-huh.
Over here. She's in charge.
She's in charge.
Mm-hmm. She just hisses at the dogs. They don't pay any attention to her.
Great. Okay.
Life with cats. She just told us that she's going to jump up there. See, hear that noise she makes? Yeah. I can't get back far enough to see the dogs and the cat and the top of the bookcase, so she's going to try. She keeps telling me she wants to go up there. She always announces her badness. Like, I'm gonna be bad. Pay attention, Mom, I'm gonna be bad. She made it. What a cat. What a cat. Now what are you gonna do? You're just on top of the bookcase. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna try to jump to the other bookcase? I don't think that's a good idea. That's a long ways away.
Jump on as it gets high.
Yeah. Like to the top of the door. We're gonna jump from there to the top of the door and then go up on top of this bookcase. I don't think so. I don't think so. Vivian. Yeah.
How does the board look? Change from orange.
There's no light on it at all anymore, so it must be good. Look at these guys. What's she doing? What is she doing up there? What is she doing up there? Look at Saphira's face. Like, I don't know. I can't figure it out. Why would she want to be on top of the bookcase? alley cat. So silly. Alright, so this is what we ended up with. 2 desks, 1 in each corner, filing cabinet at the side, printer on this desk over here, and easy to clean. That's the moral of that story. Thank you. I know it was difficult. Oh, you didn't make it? We lost you? We lost you.
Yep.
You're breathing, I can tell you're still
My
alive.
spleen badly exploded.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Bye. Wait, I'm just watching the dogs, sorry. They each had a hold of each other's leg and were spinning around. That's pretty cool. Who's gonna fall first?